We originally thought our old oak orange fireplace was going to be a real hassle to sand and stain. But now that the project's complete, we want to share just how easy it actually was. Step 1 was CITRISTRIP. Coat the goo on and let it dry. And then step 2 is sanding. We also use sandpaper to get in all the cracks and trim work. And then your final step is to stain it. We did do a lot of research into stains, and we tried transparent first, but ended up picking a solid color wood stain. This did a very good job at hiding the orange color and the wood grain. I used a foam brush to apply it, and in some spots I would go back over almost immediately with a little bit of a second coat just to hide the orange a little better. My husband has wanted to stain this fireplace since the day we got the house. I kept pushing it off and telling him it wouldn't even make that big of a difference. But one day when he was gone, I did the job to surprise him, and then he caught me. I was a little bit nervous until I saw his reaction, and we were both so happy with how it turned out. I honestly cannot believe I waited so long. And maybe I should start listening to Trey a little more often, because this is a complete room changer.